How I Made 1.2 Million in Renewals. Hi, I'm Russ Jones, the lead junkie. I was in the final expense insurance for 25 years. Currently, I market a social media gold course and offer niche widow leads to insurance agents. When I first started in the final expense insurance business, I bought leads from my manager. Sometimes we had leads, and other times the leads had dried up. There was an elderly agent who had an artificial leg from the knee down to his foot, was always at the top of the leaderboard. He lived out of town and would come in office only on Friday to drop off his business and leave quickly. One day I saw him in a restaurant in Grass Valley, California, in his hometown. I said hi to him and he asked me to sit down at his table as he was eating his breakfast. He started telling me he was retiring from the insurance business in a month. I asked him how he was always at the top of the lead board, without buying leads from the agency. He said, "Russ, you're a young guy, and I'm going to share my best secrets." He said, "I have a way to get all the widows in my county address and phone number, and I send out a pink postcard to them offering a free memorial guide. It's part of a 500-a-day 3-step postcard system. Then I have 2 great telemarketers booking 3-4 interviews per day." Then he said, "Do you want to know my secrets?" And then he gives me all his marketing material, contacts, scripts, and templates. To learn more, go to www.finalexpensemillionairekit.com.